Relax your mind and let your conscience be free. Let's get started. Hi guys, welcome back. What do we have here? Green grass. It grew. Remember how it looked? Look at it now. Oh yeah, I graded about a C. About a C. And that's because the weather wasn't kind to me at all. Let me show you a different angle. Got some spots. I can live with that. It'll fill out eventually. Don't forget, the bird mafia attacked me. They came, they saw, they conquered. Nothing I can do about it. Nothing I can do whatsoever. Just in case you don't believe me, look at them. Bunch of Draculas, blood suckers. All right, got a little beside myself. Let's focus on the matter at hand. And it's the grass. Got some weeds. That's normal. You hate to see it, but it happens when you put down seeds. Again, guys, this is without peat moss, starter fertilizer, garden weasel, topsoil, all that stuff I add. We just put seeds down, raked it in, bad weather, but it happened. Temperature was about 40 to 50 degrees, not a lot of sun, and that's not good. Typically, you want it to be anywhere between 60 to 70 degrees with sun. So imagine had I had the sunlight along with the temperature, peat moss, starter fertilizer, topsoil, garden weasel, my usual, things would have turned out a whole lot different. And no birds, by the way. It would have been a whole lot better. No end of season cleanup, but the fountain reminded me that I didn't water too much, relied on the rain. So normally you want to water twice a day. I didn't do that. Look at this. Look at this. This is beautiful. We live in a great place. Just got a bunch of ignorant people we need to get rid of, if you know what I mean. Showing you a different angle. This is nice. Again, got some spots, but it'll fill in. I'm okay with this, guys. While I was waiting for the grass to grow, I had to replace my sagging wood steps. That's why I didn't paint over here. Normally I paint every year, but not this time. See, this is my first time. Go check out my sagging wood steps video. This turned out really nice. I think I graded myself a C. I know you noticed that that wood is different from this one. I couldn't find any more treated 1x10s. That's okay. Well, guys, that's it. Season 4, a hidden gem, backyard playlist. Thanks for watching. Thanks for all the support. Subscriptions are going up. We're getting there. My goal was 1,000 by December. I don't think we'll reach it, but we'll get there. Anyway, you know the motto. Take care of your families. Take care of your bodies. Take care of your lawns too. Bye.